What is up, bass fishing freaks? Luke Reeser here from Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors. Got the O-Show with me. We just dumped into the lake. We're gonna go after some more of them big giant bass that we've been catching. So we just got in here. The lake is pretty much glass yet. It looks a little dirty. It's a Monday and this lake got piss pounded over the weekend. My buddy said the parking lot was completely full yesterday. It was like 65 degrees and sunny all day, so I'm sure the big girls were munching again, and I'm sure a lot of them got stuck, but no way they all got stuck. So we're gonna go see if we can find them and pick up them fish that made it through the weekend. O-Show says I'm gonna get stomped again today, so I'm looking for a little redemption. I'm gonna kick his butt today. Right, Owen? Oh, he says he's gonna beat me 6-1, so jerkbaits and jigs and maybe some Texas rigs, we'll see. Stay tuned, folks. Launch hunting starts right now. Here's one. Oh yeah. Oh, come off. How did that happen? Huh? That was a fit. He had it. Oh yeah. First fish on the Caden. It's not a big one. Yes, sir. To finally catch one on the Caden. Yeah. So we've been throwing jerk baits since we got here this morning. We've only been here about a half an hour. Decided to pick up a jig and flip it into that brush right there. First fish on the new Dobyns Caden series rod. Not a big one, but that'll work. There's another hit. Oh, got another one, Owen. You betcha. This is a better one. I will. Oh my gosh, this feels good. Yeah, maybe. He's really head shaking, running. Yeah, it's a big one, Owen. Ready? Ready? No! There we go. Jesus. About lost him. He about pulled the rod out of my hand.
I kept feeling bites way over there.
Yes, sir. Boy, that wasn't coming out of him. Little one. Yep. Still think it's going to be 6-1 on? 6-2. Well, I hope it's like 26-2. Got one?
Yeah, that's huge. Holy crap.
Yeah, good job. Here. Yes, sir, bud. Yee. There you go. How do you like that Dobyns?
Pretty nice.
Pretty nice.
I'm coming back, baby.
2-1. Should be 3-1. All right, release them.
Oh, we're... Boom.
Give me some. Ooh. Here we go. Yep. Okie doke.
A good one?
Holy John Wayne Gacy. I'm hooked up.
You can flip it. I'm not helping you no more.
You're not helping me no more. Biggest one of the day.
Sit. What's this? What's this?
You betcha. Did I mention that that's 3-1?
I got some.
Better step your game up, boy.
Okay.
while Owen's having a sandwich, I'm gonna go up tight to the bank, throw this buzz bait. I'd really love to catch one in 40 degree water on a buzz bait.
There we go.
Got him?
No, snag.
I do. I got one.
No way.
He's pecking at it. Yes!
God dang it.
Oh, I almost fell. That's a nice one.
Smallmouth.
Not huge. No, it's a largie. He's really pretty. Here we go. We're on some again. All right, well, it's been a long time since we got a bite. We came to the very far end of the lake. We're on the south end. Started flipping this bank here. Lost a good one, and down about 40 yards, I ended up catching one. I think we're finally on some fish again. Our fish on the north end either left or shut off. We couldn't catch them anymore. Plus, I just want to try to find something different. I know there's fish over there, but I've been fishing the crap out of them. I guess we'll find something else just for something different to do. And it's pretty cool to catch them on a jig. So I haven't got any on a jig this year until today. Oh, ripped a claw. There's a bite. Oh, broke me off.
You did?
Oh no.
Is that a big one?
Might have been a northern. All right, folks, just retied after that prick broke me off. So that last jig I was using was a Lifted Jigs Flippin Jig, Okeechobee Craw, and it was the last Okeechobee Craw 3/8 ounce or ½ ounce jig that I had. So I just tied on this one here. This is one that my brother-in-law Mike just made for me. I love the jig, but I think it's a little too bold for this lake. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Oh yeah, that's a big one, Owen. Get the net.
Where is it?
Come on, buddy.
Oh my God.
He was running with it.
Put it over here. Should I put it down now?
Yeah, get it in there.
What?
Yes, sir. Ain't as big as I thought, but it's a pretty nice one. Biggest one of the day for sure.
Not yet, not yet.
He was just a running with it. He grabbed it and came at me. Nice fish. I'm gonna guess
3 pounds.
just shy of 3.
253.
I don't know. They're pretty chunky though.
253.
I was way off.
What was it?
It's over 3.5.
Oh, crap. Me too.
Well, 3 pounds 6 ounces. Just about 3.5. It's because they're so chunky right now. Southwest Wisconsin, pre-spawn bass. Gotta love it. Flipping a jig in a Texas rig in early April. You betcha. Sweet. Big, 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 big.
I beat him.
That's a wrap, folks. Daddy's taking home the gold tonight.
No, we're tied.
No, we're not.
I
Oh.
won. Now tomorrow.
Per trips. No, so now we're going per trips. So I don't know what I catch, 5? I caught 5. I lost
4.
a couple. Lost a couple, damn. So my camera decided to die right there at the end when we were trying to record our outro. Anyways, yeah, I finished up the day with a nice 3.5 pounder on the Texas rig. It was really nice to get some fish on them new Dobyns rods that I just got. The Caden, today was the first day I caught some fish on the Caden. Really love it. It's freaking super sensitive. It's a really good jig rod or Texas rig rod. That's why I bought it. That's what I'm probably primarily gonna do with it. And then the Champion 736, that's gonna be my new frogging rod for this year. But I threw some 20-pound fluorocarbon on it and decided to do some flipping and pitching with it. You're making a mess. Guess you get to vacuum the boat tonight. Yes, you do. So Owen says we're tied now per trip, 1-1, since he beat me last time we were out. But tomorrow we're going to a different lake and we might not get very long to fish depending on the weather because it's supposed to storm. But hopefully we'll get out there in the morning and at least get the morning bite and catch some donkeys. It'll be our first trip at this lake this year. It's our home lake. Didn't do her the crap out there all winter ice fishing. So hopefully I can get a little redemption out there, open water, and get some bass. If you have not yet subscribed to Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors, go ahead and do that right now. Hit the bell so you get notified every time we put out a video. Destroy that thumbs up button. Luke and Owen signing off. Always remember, you're never too fat.
Stop it.